Hi, this is Kat, Sales Executive here at Vespa Pampanga. Today, Vespa offers a range of stylish and iconic scooters with popular models Primavera and Sprint. These two has a 155cc displacement, 4-stroke, single-cylinder, and air-cooled engine with electronic fuel injection. For Primavera, we have two variants, the Primavera 150 and the Primavera S 150. The difference of the two, the Primavera 150, it has a chrome trim, and then yung Primavera S 150, the black trim. For Primavera, yung upgrades niya, we have the kill switch, and then nag-upgrade na din siya for halogen to LED lights. For our wheel, it has an ABS front tire and has a size of 110 by 70 and 12 inches. The difference of Sprint S to Primavera, this one has a round headlight, refers to timely classic, and this one has the hexagon, meaning the sporty look or the modern classic. Sprint S150, it has the black trim compared to Sprint 150, yun yung may chrome, just like this Primavera. Yun yung pagkakaiba nila, and then the aesthetics lang also. Sa mga features nila, Primavera and Sprint are the same lang. And dun sa ating ABS, same with Primavera, naka-ABS na din yung front, and the tire size is also the same with Primavera. The only difference is yung aesthetics nila. For compartment size naman, sa Primavera and Sprint, parehas lang sila, and it can fit the half-face helmet. And meron din po silang 7 liters gasoline consumption for Primavera and Sprint, also parehas lang po sila. It can consume 35 to 40 kilometers per liter. Parehas na malapad ang upuan at siguradong komportable kung sino man ang iyong isasakay. Meron din po siyang hook dito or tinatawag nila na gulay board na pwede niyong gamitin if ever mamalengke ka, pwede mong isabit, or any na gamit na pwede niyong isabit dito. Meron din po tayong charging port dito. So, to open this compartment, kailangan nyo lang pong i-press ng madiin yung susi. And then, meron po tayo ditong charging port, USB type. Pwede kayong mag-charge ng any gadgets. And meron din po tayong emergency pull dito na kapag nag-discharge yung battery, pwede nyo po siyang gamitin if ever may kukunin po kayo sa compartment. Ipupull nyo lang siya. Then, voila, bukas na po yung kanyang saddle. Para sa ating Sprint Primavera, meron po siyang manual and digital panel gauge. Meron din po siyang safety features na kapag binaba nyo yung side stand, automatic mamamatay. Para po dito sa ating Vespa Sprint S, meron po siyang presyo na 240,000 SRP. And dito naman po sa Primavera natin is 210 SRP. Meron din po tayong summer deal promo, 6,000 cash discounts, limited time offer for Primavera and Sprint also. And then, you can pay through cash or credit card installment, BPI credit up to 36 months. We have Laus Group Care's 24/7 roadside assistance inclusions and also free PMS coupon before 24 months. For more details and inquiries, you can call us at 0919-089-4509 or like our page Vespa Pampanga, or you may visit us here at Vespa Pampanga located at Laus Group Complex, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.